Thank you so much for your wishing now. Okay, just we'll go into our subject now. Okay, you know that we are going to see a second chapter in computer. Okay, did you complete your classwork for the first one? Hardware and software, everyone children? I need your response to your chat box now.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you complete your classworks for the first lesson? Very good. I need your answers through your chat box. I don't want anyone to mute that. Please now, children. Please, ma. Renavi, can you mute your mobile? Please mute yourself. Okay. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now we are going to see the second lesson in computer. Okay, I'll share my content now. Okay. What is our second chapter? So we are going to see the second chapter, more on keyboard. So what is our second chapter? More on keyboard. So we know that one. Keyboard is what? So keyboard is the input device which help in enter the information into a computer, isn't it? So keyboard is a input device, isn't it? We know that part well. So now we are going to learn about keyboard, types of keys on a keyboard, do's and don'ts while using a keyboard, these things that we are going to see now. So they different types of keys to perform different tasks. So we are going to see one by one. Yes. Here one question is there. What happens when you press the keys on a computer? Will you hear music or see the letters you typed on a monitor? So which one is the correct option? You can see the letters you typed on the monitor. So that is the input device, isn't it? So keyboard is just like as a pencil or pen for us to write where? On the monitor. So we can be think like that. So that is the input device, isn't it? Do you know how many keys are on the keyboard? How many keys are on the keyboard? So there are usually 104 keys are on the keyboard. How many keys are on the keyboard? 104 keys are on the keyboard. So we'll see now the first one, number keys. What is meaning with the number keys? The keys marked with numbers from 0 to 9 are called the number keys. Suppose that you want to type your telephone or your class roll number, which is the numeric only. For this, you have to use the number keys. These keys are present in the low above the alphabet keys. You see that one. These are the alphabet keys are the above that one, as well as that side also we can see now. So these are we used to call as a number keys. Okay. What is numlock key? N-U-M. Numlock key means what? Numlock is short form for number lock. Numlock is short form of for number lock. The numeric keypad contains all number keys put together. So these are keys number written on them. These keys are used to type numbers. One set of number keys are placed above the alphabet I said, isn't it? And on other set on the right side of the keyboard. That means 0 to 9. The numlock is located on the numeric keypad, which is on the right side of the keyboard. So it is toggle key. What is the meaning of toggle key? In the sense it is used to turn a function on or off. So what is mean that one? The toggle key that input of certain keys depending on whether number lock is on or off. For example, I say that one. Suppose there is no standard way for the number lock to be used. We can be used for the two sort of function. So when the num lock on the keys are used to input numeric characters. For example, suppose when the num lock is on, so that numeric characters can be used. Pressing the number 8 key. So when the num lock is on, that time only input the value of 8. We can see on the screen. Suppose whereas the same action would represent the cursor moved upward when if num lock off. So that shows that only it is a toggle key. Toggle key in the sense, so toggle key in the sense it is used to turn a function on and off, switch between two functions. So that shows that num lock. Num lock means what? Number lock. So use of num lock keys. How will you use that one? You can also use the numeric keypad which is on the right hand side of the keyboard. If you see that one. So this is the right hand side of the keyboard. In order to use the numeric keypad, press the num lock key once they enter the numbers. The num lock light will turn on and right side on the keyboard. We'll see how it will be that. Are you seeing the? Yes. Can you observe that one? The picture shows that what the num lock key with a LED. Can you see that one? Light is blinking that one. So that LED may look like on a keyboard. The num lock key enables as well as disables the numeric pad. So by this way only if you switch on, we can see that one. The light will be blinking there, isn't it? It is a key on the numeric pad. The most computer keyboards, it is a lock key only, commonly located where I say to the right of the main keyboard. So displayed by an LED built into the keyboard. So LED light will be built into the keyboard itself. Then next one, what we are going to see now. So when num lock is on, what will happen? The keypad can be used only to enter the numbers. What I say, the same only. Suppose if you're pressing the number 8, if the num lock is on, when the num lock is on, they can be input the value of 8. When the num lock is off, that means number lock is off, the keys perform various other function. So what is the various other function? The cursor moved upward or by this way the direction will be, we can see that one. So that is a different two sort of function we can see in that one. Next we are going to see home and end key. Can you see that one, home and end key? So what is the use of that one? So these two keys are found on the right side of the keyboard. That is the right side of the keyboard that we can see that one. These keys are, which one? These keys are very usual when you are working on a documents in MS Word. That moment we can use that one. The home key is primarily used to return the typing cursor. The home key is the home key is primarily used to return the typing cursor to the beginning of the line, isn't it? On which you are currently typing. The end key is key found on a computer keyboard that moves to the cursor where to the end of the line where while using the document page on screen or when your cursor is positioned there. So by this way only that we can find that one, which one that they are going to where? Beginning of the text or end of the text. The next one, what is a cursor? blinking cursor. We know that when as soon as you can switch on the monitor, we can see that one. So blinking cursor is, I think so most of you can observe that one. So the blinking symbol of the computer screen is called the cursor. In computer user interfaces, a cursor is an indicator used to show the current position for users. In those who are user, you are only those who are handling the computer, isn't it? For user interaction on a computer monitor or other display device that will respond to input from a text input or pointing device. The mouse cursor is also called a pointer, isn't it? These are what? Blinking cursor. So by this way only we can move the text where home or end key, that we can utilize that part. Yes. What is the difference between home and end key? Is the opposite direction only. Already we have seen that one. The home key is primarily used to return the typing cursor to the beginning of the line on which you are currently typing. The end key is a key found on a computer keyboard that moves the cursor to the end of the line, document, page, or cell or screen of where your cursor is positioned. Okay, so by this way only that we can use that, and most of you did in your computer lab, isn't it? So you can be will know that part. The next one, okay, how that we are using that one, home. The home key can be used to move the cursor to the beginning of a line. If you see that one, computer is a smart machine. Can you point the cursor there? Can you point the cursor there? So computer is a smart. The middle you can see that one, the bar is there, that is a cursor one. So after pressing the home key, that means if you feel that one, now we are pressing the home key, where will be the cursor should be? In the beginning of a line. So that is the function of the home key. So as soon as if you press the home key, the cursor move to where? Beginning of the line. So if you see that one, so that is the, suppose if you press the end key, where should be that one? Obviously that should be end of the line, isn't it? Yes. Home is used to move the cursor to the beginning of a line. So by this way only that we can use that one cursor where you would like to move that the text or document to the in the front or the the end of the line. So we can use that part. Next we are going to see the page up and page down key. Page up or page down. We can be say these keys are also known as PG. That means PG up or PG DN in short. So they are used to scroll the page up or page down. Can you see down there? Yes. This is the page up and page down. If you want to scroll page up, it will be move upwards. Do you want to be see the downwards? So you can be usually see the down of the screen. The next one, the page up and page down keys are two keys commonly found on computer keyboards. The two keys are primarily used to scroll up or scroll down in documents, but the scrolling distance varies between different applications. What are they? Suppose if you see that one, page up key uses for, how can we use that one? Page up key moves the cursor one line up or moves the cursor one screen up, moves the cursor one page up, or moves the cursor one paragraph up. By this way that we
Up
can
page
utilize that.
means it
Page.
will give a new page. Down page means
One that means you are going extra one
page.
underneath. Underneath. Suppose if you are type now, so if you want to move up or down, so that is used to get that one. Suppose if you are having 24 pages, If you want to go to see the first page in the document, so you can be easily move that one. Page wise, you can be move fast. So if you want to see that last page of the document, so if you press the page down key, that will go at the last of that one. So by this way only that we can see that one. I'll go to the page down key is used to move the cursor one line down, then moves the cursor one page down, then moves the cursor one screen down, then moves the cursor one para down. By this way only that we can use the page up as well as page down keys. So now we are going to see more about keyboard. So far what we have seen, that is our portion, which one we are going to cover. So that has been based on your textbook lesson only. Now we are going to see the extra about the keyboard now. Is. So alphabet keys. You know that one alphabet key is in your keyboard. These are the alphabet characters. If you see that
These are
one.
the alphabet characters. If you see that one.
These,
These mark.
these children can
These
you mute your
children, can
mobile?
you mute your mobile?
Alphabet keys, the keys that
Ma'am,
are
your
marked with
voice
the
is
letters of.
echoing.
Yes, ma, can you mute your mobile now? Okay, alphabet keys, the keys that are marked with the letters of English alphabets are called the alphabet keys. These are used to type letters. Number keys, for what purpose that we are using that one? To type the numbers, isn't it? That is the number keys. Alphabet keys, to type the letters. These keys on a keyboard are not arranged in sequence from A to Z. Why that I'll show that one. Why that is not in the proper sequence, not A, B, C, D like this. That should be not in the proper sequence order. We use the keys marked with the letter for typing words, sentence or paragraph. So why that we are using this alphabet keys? We use the keys marked with the letter for typing words, sentences or paragraphs. For that reason only that we are using this alphabet keys. Okay, because already I said now that is not marked with exact sequence order of A to Z, isn't it?
Yes.
Why? Why? Because the keys on a keyboard are not arranged in order from A to Z. When they are present as Q, if you see that one, can you observe? Q, W, E, R, T, Y, and so on. Such keyboards are called QWERTY keyboard. Why they arranged, why they developed, why they been manufactured like this in the sense? Because who has been invented? Do you know that one? QWERTY keyboard was invented by the Christopher Charles. Because why he discovered by like this in the sense, most used letters, often which one we use letters were spaced out so that the keys were less likely to clash into each other when typing. That's the reason only he has been developed QWERTY keyboard was developed for that reason only, isn't it? Because QWERTY keyboard was, who was invented, I say? Christopher Charles. So most used, Dikshita, don't ask me the request now. So who has been invented, ma? Charles Christopher Charles. So most used letters were spaced out so that the keys were less likely to clash while typing. So into each other when typing. For that reason only QWERTY keyboard was developed. So what is the name of that one? Nowadays that we are using the QWERTY keyboard only. For that reason only they are not in the sequence order. That means A to Z. Got it? That is the reason that we are using this QWERTY keyboard. Yes. Arrow keys. You know well this arrow keys, isn't it? So it shows that one what? Arrow keys that indicates the, so you can consider that one. The four keys at the right hand side of the keyboard. Can you see that one? Yes, marked with arrow sign are called arrow keys or cursor control keys. These are used for moving the cursor on the screen. The four keys are right arrow key, left arrow key, then up, then down arrow keys. Which one used to move the cursor? Do you want to move up, down, and right or left? For that reason only that we are using this arrow keys. Then enter. Enter or return key. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a
Yes,
computer. Ma'am, I
yes.
have a computer, ma'am, in home and caps lock.
Do you want to know about the caps lock now? That will be next chapter, next topic. Okay. Okay. Now the enter or return key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the starting point. Can you see that one enter key here? So for what purpose that we are using? Enter key is used to move the cursor to the where? Starting point of the next line. Starting point of the next line, not going to the same line that just like us home one. That is the if you want to go to the next line of that content or topic or document. Shahid, don't ask me that request now. Shahid. So enter key is used to move the cursor to the starting point of next line. So it is marked with sign by like this. Can you see that one? So by sign like that only, it shows that is a enter or return key. So it is also known as the command key. All the instructions are Dikshita. Ma, are you hearing my voice? Why are you asking the request now? It is also known as a command key. All the instructions are carried out by the computer when the enter key is pressed. Isn't it? All the instructions are carried out by the computer when the enter key is pressed. We'll see the next one, how that it is going to use that one. Yes. I love to read books. Now we are going to type the next line. So you started to type here. I love to read books. The next line, if you do, you want to come. Again, as soon as you entered, as soon as you complete the last end of that line, if you press the enter key, you can get to the next line. If you see that one, the cursor, where are you seeing now? The next line you are get ready to type. So for that purpose only that we are using that enter key. Now delete key. For what purpose that we are using the delete key now? So delete key, anything that is typed in the right side of the cursor is erased using delete key only by mistake. If you did anything, so you can be use this delete key, you can easily type that, easily erase that one. So anything that is typed in the right side of the cursor is erased using delete key. By this way only that we can use that delete key there. Next, what are the do's and don'ts while using keyboard? How we have to handle the keyboard? How should we handle that part? Yes. Keyboard should be handled with proper care as it is an integral part of the computer. Obviously, as well as if you touch that one, how that we have to maintain, because we know that one, these are the hardware. So easily you can touch, but how that we have to handle with that part you have to see now. To remember the following tips while using the keyboard. So we should not keep anything on keyboard. That is not a place where we have to keep any objects on that place.
And we
So
type wrongly. We press the delete button. It will delete.
yes,
We will do wrong.
yes. For that reason only that we are using the delete. Correct. Next one, we should not keep anything on keyboard. Suppose by mistake, if you are having anything nearby that keyboard, by mistake, or that means Without no also, you should not keep anything on the keyboard. Then we should not pull or push the keyboard harshly. We have to smooth that touch also. We have be, how should we handle? We should not be push or pull the keyboard harshly. We have to be smooth manner that we have to handle the keyboard. Then we should not press the keys too hard. Tightly you have to touch that one. Instead of harshly, if you press that one, should not do that, but we should not press and keys too hard, because that is a system which one that we are utilizing to play. Sorry, children. Shahid? Shahid? Yes. Then if you should not press the keys too hard, then the last one, while typing, we should gently press the keys and remove our finger quickly, otherwise the same letter is typed again. So how should we type? So while touch that one, how should type that one? We should gently press that one. Instead of press too hard, we have to gently press the keys and remove. As soon as you type, you have to take away. Otherwise, remove the fingers quickly. Otherwise, the same letter will be typed again. That is the way that we have to handle a keyboard. So these are only do's as well as don't while using keyboard. How that we have to handle that one? We should not keep anything on the keyboard. Then we should not push or pull our keyboard harshly. Then we should not press the keys too hard. Then we have to gently press the keys, isn't it? So as soon as you press the key, quickly you have to take out. Otherwise, the letter will be typed again. For that reason only we asked to say that one, gently press, immediately you have to take your finger. Got it? The next one, shall I ask that questions related to that one? Get ready? Okay. Satvika, you have to unmute and give your answers, okay? Satvika, the first one, Satvika. Sangeeta ma'am, am I audible? Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. Okay, Sudashni Sri.
Ma'am, I can't zoom your screen, ma'am.
Okay, Sudashni Sri. Sudashni, get my question, Sudashni. Sudashni alone. Just listen now. The dash is used for typing words which can be seen on the monitor. The dash is used for typing words which can be seen on the monitor.
Keyboard.
Very good. Keyboard. Okay. Sri, thank you. Sudashni, can you mute your mobile now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Sri. Sri.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sri. Yes, Sri. Yes, Sri. Dash keys have alphabet A to Z.
Alphabet.
Very good. So these are the alphabet keys. Got it? Okay, can you give that? Okay, can you give that name of the keyboard? Which one that we are nowadays using? I said no now. What is the name of the keyboard? Who has invented? Christopher Charles. What is the name of the keyboard? Do you have any idea?
Quarter.
Pity.
Partly.
Okay, very good. Very good, Sri. Okay,
Thank
the
you,
next
ma'am.
one. Okay, the next one. Okay. Guru, Guru Prasad.
Jai good day, ma'am.
Jai Gurudev Guru Prasad. The dash keys are used to move the cursor.
Arrow.
Arrow keys are used to move the cursor. Very good, Guru Prasad. Mute your mobile, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Pratiksha. 3D Pratiksha. Pratiksha. The fourth one, we use dash key to move the next line. If do you want to move to the next line to type, so which key is used to get that one? Pratiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
So what is the answer? Do you know or not? Okay, can you mute now? Just get someone else. Okay, Sukhi then.
I do know, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, Pratiksha. Listen now. Sukhi then tell me that for the fourth one, we use dash key to move to the next line.
Enter key.
Very good, Sukhi. Pratiksha, did you get now?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pratiksha, what key is that?
Enter key.
Enter key. Very good, Pratiksha. Can you mute now? Okay. The next one, Meenaja. Meenaja,
Yes, ma'am.
dash key erase the letter after the cursor.
Backspace.
After the cursor.
Delete.
Which one exactly come? Delete or backspace? Because I'm asking you after the cursor. Because you have typed everything. Delete or delete? Right side. Because if you check and tell me, because what I show now, wait, I'll show that one. When we use the delete, anything that is typed in the right side of the cursor is erased using what? Delete, isn't it? Yes. So what will be the answer?
Delete.
Very good, Meenaja. The next one. Okay, can you mute Tana? Charmita. Charmita.
Jai Gurudev, ma'am.
Okay, the Jai Gurudev Charmita. Okay, the dash is the brain of the computer.
CPU, ma'am.
CPU is the brain of the computer. Can you give the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Very good, Charmita. Can you mute Tana?
Thanks, ma'am.
Very good. Is that next one? Sarveshwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarveshwar.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Sarveshwar. Okay. The mouse has dash button and a dash. Please, ma.
Voice is breaking, ma'am.
Can you see the question now? The mouse has dash buttons and a dash.
Rolling wheel.
That is second one. Very good. For the first one,
The mouse
first
has
dash.
dash buttons and a dash.
Dash.
Mouse has எத்தனை buttons?
Two buttons.
Two buttons and a rolling wheel.
Two buttons.
Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, can you mute your mobile now?
Dash is the brain of the computer.
Very good. Ma. Can you mute?
CPU.
Mute now?
All part
Very good. Can you mute now? Okay, Kailash. Kailash. Yes, Kailash.
Yes.
Kailash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kailash. All parts of the computer joined by dash to the CPU. Options are given in the boxes there. So just take from that one.
Cables.
All parts. Mummy is giving the answer. Okay, so all parts of the computer joined to the by cables to the CPU. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, can you give the full form of CPU?
Central Processing Unit.
Central Processing Unit. Very good, ma. Can you mute now? Okay, thank you, mute now. Okay, Sabarish. Sabarish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, tell me now. The number lock key is located on the which side of that keyboard?
Monitor.
Monitor. Number lock key is located where? On the
Right
keyboard.
side.
Very good. Right side. Okay. Let me question carefully. That. Okay. Can you mute now? Thank you. Thank you, Sabarish. Jayashri. Jayashri. Satvika. Pragati. 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 Ma 3D Pragati.
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Who's Jayashri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jayashri. Okay. Get my question now. We can use the dash key to scroll up the page.
CPU.
No, get my question carefully. Listen that one. We can use the dash key to scroll up the page.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, I'll ask someone. Just listen, ma. Listen now. Mute. Girish. Girish Raghavendra. Girish Raghavendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Girish. We can use of page. Sorry. We can use the dash key to scroll up the page. Which key that we can use to scroll up the page? Scroll up.
Mouse, ma'am.
No, ma. Page up. I said no, page up to move
Ma'am.
up. Yes, page up.
Page up.
Okay. So we can use the page up key to scroll up the page. Got it? Okay.
ma'am.
Can you mute, ma? Can you mute, ma? Okay. Now shall we do this part? Only 3 we will find from here. Got it? You just see now. No one asked me the request for this. We will try to find. Got it? You also try to get now. Ready, children? Word puzzle will do now. Okay, where is pen drive? Pen drive. We'll try to find.
Ma'am, third one, MOUSE, third line.
Yes, I'll try. Where is pen drive? By this way? Is it? Isn't it?
Monitor, ma'am. First line.
Very good. Where is the monitor?
Ma'am, you didn't line the P, ma'am.
Yes, now I got it. Got it? Am I clear
Keyboard
now?
on the right side, ma'am.
Okay. Yes,
Ma'am,
Lana.
and mouse, ma'am.
Right side,
Ma'am, mouse is pen drive's left side.
Now, monitor. Yes, monitor. Yes.
Ma'am, and mouse, ma'am.
Mouse.
Monitors, now laptop. Ma'am, third line, mouse. Ma'am, your screen is black, ma'am.
Keyboard is side, ma'am.
Yes, Kana, I'll come there. I'll come. Ma.
Ma'am, mouse, ma'am, MOUSE.
Yes,
Third
monitor.
line. Ma'am, third line mouse, ma'am.
Keyboard on the
Yes,
right
third
side.
line mouse is there.
On the right side.
Ma'am, third line mouse, ma'am. Ma'am, third line mouse.
Yes, third line is
Ma'am,
mouse.
third line mouse, ma'am. Ma'am, third line mouse, ma'am.
I got the mouse pin.
Third
Very
line
Very good. Where is
ma'am.
the
Keyboard is
scanner? Okay, children,
Laptop.
very good. You're doing the exactly you're finding the answers there. Excellent.
Seventh one is laptop, ma'am.
Where is the laptop? Can you give that one?
Seventh one is laptop.
Seventh one is laptop. Very good.
Ma'am, shall I on my video? It's on the right side.
Yes.
Ma'am, shall I on my video, ma'am?
Yes, Kana. By the end of the time that we, yeah. Okay, children. Very good now. So you'll get the class works related to that one. We can easily do, isn't it? Okay, thank you so much for your wishing for that. You have given that.
Happy
Teacher's Day
Teacher's
wish,
Day, ma'am.
isn't it?
Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Watch the video. Children, unmute your video. You have to show your faces now. Please, children, unmute your.
Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Happy
Unmute and show your faces now.
Teacher's Day, ma'am. Teacher's Day, ma'am. Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Thank
Teacher's Day, ma'am.
you, see. See, very good.
Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Teacher's Day, ma'am. Ma'am, happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day.
So much.
Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. Happy Teacher's Day, ma'am.